Hello everyone, this is Krrish Gatti. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's get into the video. Today, I'm so excited to show you this new tiny gadget. So guys, I'm so excited to show you this new gadget, world's most mini wireless keyboard, mouse combo specific multimedia remote control and touchpad function handheld keyboard. This mini keyboard is useful for computers, laptops, PlayStations, mobile phones and tabs. And the price of this beautiful gadget is MRP 1499 Indian rupees and now available on Amazon for 600 Indian rupees. And if you want this gadget, you can get it from the link mentioned in the description below. Let's unbox and check what's inside. It is double wrapped and this is the product we are talking about. And let's check what we got here. We got micro USB and the manual, and there is a 100 rupee cash back if you register this gadget in their website. So here. Before using this keyboard, go through the manual completely, which is in English. And let's have an overview of this keyboard. It is made of plastic and the keys are made with rubber, and it has a joystick feel when you use it. And here it's the back, and on the top you can have a look here. This is the micro USB port and there is on and off switch. And I'm gonna open the back case now. Here we have the battery and the dongle. We are gonna insert this in a computer. Let's switch on this. On the first we have the power indicator, second we have the battery indicator, and third we have the pairing indicator. And this is an RGB keyboard. Let's go through it. The coolest features of this keyboard: hold the function and press F2. Bam, you got green, bam, you got blue, and bam, you got red. And if you want more colors, hold the same function button and just swipe on the left here on the mouse pad. See, you have the coolest colors here on the keyboard. Wow. Let's connect to my PC and check how it works and what more it can do. Yo guys, I just connected this to my laptop. Let's see the movement of the cursor. I'm gonna check with my laptop first. So this is the movement I got here. And now we move on to the mini keyboard. Let's check how it works. Woo! The same movement. No latency at all. Now I'm going to the Microsoft Word and we can type something there. Hi, this is Krrish Gatti. Ha! See? And I'm gonna select it, Control A and Control X. Cut it, and Control V, paste it. Oh, it works! And I'm gonna close it, Alt F4. No, I'm not gonna save it. Arrow, don't save. Okay. Woo! It works! Now I'm gonna play a game. It's Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, a 90s game I can say. Let's see how it works. And this is the volume button here. Let's say yeah. Or woo, it opened. Function, start game, load game in the beginning. Woo! The reason I chose this game because this is a keyboard game. It works. W friend, it works. So now I'm gonna try a cheat code. Let's see if it works. It's Rocket Man. I got it from Google. Rocket Man. Again, ROCKEGMAN. Whoa, it works. Space. Woo! He flies, man. It works. Let's click. Woo! It works. Space again. Wow, it works completely fine. And I like it. Even the feel is so easy. I can sit back on the couch and play. Alright, let me close this. It works. Escape. Quit game. Yeah. Woo! It worked!
And the battery life of this mini keyboard lasts for 4 to 5 days for a moderate user on one single charge. And thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a good day.